Okay, so here's the thing that immediately blew my mind this week. What if I told you that your brain, yes, the one you think makes you uniquely intelligent, might have evolved not because of your genius, but because your ancient ancestors needed better eyesight? No, seriously. This study from Duke University just flipped the script on primate evolution. Let me explain why this is a bigger deal than you think. Alright, let's get real for a second. We've all heard the story. Humans evolved big brains because we're special, right? We're the smart ones who made tools, built civilizations, wrote symphonies. But what if that's the wrong question? What if evolution wasn't trying to build a better thinker, but a better seer? The team here used these digital brain scans called endocasts, basically 3D models of ancient brain cases. And here's where it gets wild. The frontal lobe, the part we associate with planning, decision-making, all that executive function buzzword, didn't actually grow disproportionately. It just kept pace. Like a passenger in a hot air balloon, not the pilot. So why did brains get bigger then? The answer's hiding in the back of the skull. Here's the kicker. The visual processing areas, the occipital and temporal regions, exploded in size way faster. And get this, the optic nerve openings in these fossils were huge. So evolution wasn't rewarding cleverness first, it was rewarding the ability to process visual information. Think about that. For 56 million years, primates were basically upgrading their camera software before they ever got to the Photoshop of higher reasoning. What does that say about how we prioritize intelligence? Personally, I think we've been projecting our human ego onto evolution this whole time. Like, we want to believe our brains are the goal, but maybe we're just a side effect of better night vision. Now wait, why would vision matter that much? The researchers throw out two possibilities. 1. Social complexity. If you're a primate trying to read facial expressions in a troop, you need sharp vision. Ever tried to spot a rival's subtle eye movement in a dominance battle? That's high-resolution social warfare. 2. Foraging. Finding ripe fruit in dense foliage? That's a visual puzzle. But here's my take, maybe it's both. Maybe seeing better let primates exploit ecological niches that then force social complexity. Like, you find better food, live longer, have more drama with your troop, need better vision to navigate that drama. Evolutionary chicken and egg, right? But hold on, let's not crown this theory yet. The study's own limitations are fascinating. Endocasts only show the brain's outer shape, not the neural wiring. It's like looking at a city's skyline and guessing about the subway system. And the optic foramen size isn't a direct nerve fiber count, it's just a proxy. So what's missing? All the juicy internal rewiring that might actually connect vision to cognition. And here's the philosophical angle. Does it even matter if the frontal lobe just kept pace? Because when you scale up a brain, even proportionally, you get emergent properties. Like building a bigger computer server, sure, the processors grow together, but at some point, the whole system starts doing new things. So where does this leave us? With a humbling truth, the human brain's grandeur might be a happy accident of better eyes. It makes me wonder, what other human traits are just side effects? Our obsession with intelligence, as the pinnacle of evolution, might be as misguided as a hammer thinking it's the best tool. Maybe evolution's real star player has always been adaptability, not smarts. And if vision was the gateway drug to bigger brains, what's our modern equivalent? Are screens and digital information the new optic nerves? Let me know what you think in the comments, because if this study teaches us anything, it's that understanding our past might require seeing it differently.